Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chongbang Serie. Today we are going to solve the some of the levels of the bird's stays in Blockly coding. To solve level 1, first you need to drag the given block and you have to simply put the degree values and run the program 45 degree and the level 1 is solved. Level 2. In level 2, this is the conditional block. So conditional block. So we have to say does not have one. In that case, you have to move towards 0 degree. Otherwise, you have to go by 90 degree and run the program. Level 3. In level 3, again, the condition is no one. So whenever there is no one, we have to go around 300 degree, and then otherwise you have to go by 60 degree so that you reach to your destination. Level 4. In level 4 we learn something about the x-axis. The horizontal position is the x-axis, and the condition is I have to move towards the largest value is 80, smallest is 20, and I have to move towards 80. So this is moving horizontal, meaning value of x. Moving horizontal meaning value of x. So moving from smaller to greater meaning lesser than sign, and till 80 you have to move. First you need to move towards 0 degree, otherwise you have to go towards 270 degree. Now level 5. In level 5 we talk about the vertical movement. Whenever you have vertical movement of bird, then we will take y value, and we are moving from 80 towards 20. So we will say greater than, y must be greater than 20, and I need to add one more else condition here. And then in that case, at first I need to move 270 degree, then I have to move towards 180 degree. Now level 6. In level 6 also I need to have one condition. So that to add a condition, else if condition, I need to add it. Even I need one more else. So this is my conditional block. At first I have no worm, meaning I should go somewhere 315 degree, and then I have to go towards upwards by less than 80. In that case I will go 90 degree, Otherwise, I have to move towards 180 degree. So you can see my guess is wrong. It should be 330. Level 7. Level 7. At first, I need to move downwards. Uh, let's add conditions. Some conditions like I need this and I need this as well. Let's see. At first, to move downwards, vertically down, meaning this, but from bigger to smaller, I'm moving. I'm moving towards greater than 50. Is I am around 225 degree I will move, and my condition is no warm. If no warm, I will go around 315 degree. Otherwise, I don't need one more else if I will just remove this else if this particular else if. Okay. uh, Heading 315, otherwise it has to go towards 180 degree. Now level 8. To do level 8, I will add some conditions again. Let's add some more conditions. Okay, let's see. At first, I have to move upward, so y less than 40. I will go till then 90 degree. You can check block by block like this. It is going 90 degree. And my condition will be no warm. At that time, no warm. It should go to the 315 degree. And I need to combine both horizontal position and vertical position, x coordinate and y coordinate. If I am moving upwards, let's say less than 50, and I am moving leftwards from that worm less than 50, then keep going towards around 165, otherwise go to 45 degree. Sorry, my system is not responding. Sorry. Okay. Um, y less than, here is being mistaken, y less than 50 and x greater than 50. Reason why is I'm moving from bigger unit right to left, bigger to smaller, so I have to use greater than sign. And level 9, the first thing I will add some conditions, conditions, and now the first thing I need to do is I will combine my conditions, my condition being no one and moving towards from right to left is x greater than, I will move till 20. So till then I will move for 180 degree. You can uh, run and see how it goes. Nextly, again I have to combine my condition. The condition is again having no worm and going downwards till, so this is greater than 20, till 20 it should go by 270 degree. Now I should have a combination like I have to go up till 70 and x till less than, because it is less than, because it starts from 20 to going from 20 to sorry 40 is less than, then keep moving 90 degree, uh, else move towards 315 degree. Now the last level, 10. In level 10 also let's add some else if conditions. Let's see. The first thing I need to combine. So my first condition is no worm itself. I have no worm in my hand. So no worm condition is I should go up till 80, no doubt, till 80. And I should go to the rightwards to get the worm, no doubt, that is also 80. 80. In this case, I will go towards 90 degree. You can check it and see. Going towards 90 degree. Thing is, I have to combine two conditions. Still, my condition is no worm condition, and I have to go towards the section 80 till 80. I will be going towards by 0 degree. As you can see, it is going 0 degree. Mm, Next condition, still same combination of having no one and y just greater than 40. Keep going towards 270 degrees. Now back to two conditions. If the case be like going upwards, I want to go upwards since twice 70, and here x from 80 greater than 70, keep going 90 degree, 90 degree going. Else if x is like uh, greater than 20, keep going towards 180 degree, and finally if not, then go towards 270 degree. Thus, till level 10 of Bird's level is solved. Thank you very much for watching the block codings of Blockly Bird's stage of Blockly coding level 1 to 10. Thank you very much. Please keep on watching my uh, videos to see the other labels as well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like it and comment my channel. Thank you very much.